Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to add or manage skills to your LinkedIn profile. So you can see I have opened my LinkedIn, so we will navigate to our profile. So once we have opened our profile, you can see if we scroll down, so the skills section, we can see I have added a lot of skills. So if I want to add more skills, so we can click here on plus icon. So the LinkedIn will show me suggested skills based on my profile. So for instance, if I want to select search engine optimization, and then I can save it, or you can also tell us where you put this skill to use, like the job where you have done, so you can select that, and education or license and certificates are also relevant to that skill, so you can also select those. So we have saved it, and you can see here now SEO, search engine optimization, is here. And if you want to manage these skills, existing skills, like I have 48 skills, so we can click on this pencil icon. Now you can see like search engine optimization, WordPress, HTML, CSS, Dreamweaver, public speaking, Windows research, Adobe Photoshop, and a lot of others. So if we want to change, like if we want to reorder them, so we can click on these three dots and see reorder. For instance, if I want like Adobe Photoshop should be on top, so from here we can drag and drop it at the top of the list. So any position we can change, then close this box, and you can see now Adobe Photoshop is at the top. If I go back to my profile, so you can see now Adobe Photoshop is at top, then we have search engine optimization, WordPress, and other skills. So if we want to add skills, we can add simply from here, from the plus icon, and if we want to manage existing skills, we can manage from this pencil icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends, so they can also learn new things, they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.